In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Shopify header with this quick tutorial. Whether you're looking to customize your store's look or just want to make a few adjustments, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify account, log in and navigate to the home page. From there, look for the option labeled Online Store on the left-hand side of your admin dashboard. Click on it. This is where we'll begin to make our header adjustments. Once you're in the online store section, you'll see a menu item called Themes. You'll want to look for the Customize button and click on that as well. This brings you to the area where you can personalize your store's appearance, allowing you to tweak various aspects including the header. Now that you're in the customization area, look toward the left side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Header. Clicking on it will open up all the elements related to your Shopify header. This is where you can start making your desired changes. Let's focus first on the desktop logo position. You'll find multiple options here to choose from, catering to different design preferences. Take a moment to decide which positioning best fits the overall style of your store, whether it's centering it for a balanced look or keeping it on one side for a more traditional layout. Next, take a glance at the desktop menu type. Here you'll find several menu styles: drop down, mega menu, or drawer. Each menu type provides a unique navigation experience for your customers. Spend a little time exploring these options and pick the one that complements your store's design and functionality the best. Moving forward, let's shift our focus to the header's color scheme. Under the color section, you'll see the option to change the theme scheme. This is ideal for ensuring that the header matches the rest of your store's style. Click on the scheme option, explore the available colors, and choose the scheme that you feel enhances your brand's aesthetic. After that, it's time to adjust spacing. In the header section, you'll find an option for spacing and section padding. This feature allows you to fine-tune the space around your header elements, creating a clean and organized appearance. Adjust it as needed to achieve the look you're after. Lastly, once you're satisfied with all these changes, do not forget the most crucial step: clicking save. This ensures all your hard work and customizations are stored and your updates are applied to your live site. With these changes complete, you've successfully edited your Shopify header. You've now equipped your store with a personalized touch that can help attract more customers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing.